Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to verify your Google business profile. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for support.google.com. Make sure that your target Google account is logged in and you will be redirected to the web page. Here, click on the search bar and type in Verify Your Business on Google. Next, scroll down a little bit and locate the Standard Verification Methods section. Once you find it, expand the video recording menu and click on the Learn More embed. On this page, scroll down towards the bottom and click on the Contact Us button. After that, click on the drop-down menu and select the target business you would like to verify. Now, type in Video Verification in the field beneath it and proceed to the next step. Click on the other button, select Next, and then click on Next again. Now, click on the email feature, select My Business Profile is not verified as the reason, and then click on the Check Verification Status button. Here, select the target business again and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. As my business is already verified, I won't be able to show you this step, but it is fairly simple, so don't worry about it. So that's basically how you can verify your Google business profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.